my channel. Welcome back. If you are new, I am Sunny. It is nice to meet you. I'm so happy that you are here. While I have you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. A lot of fun stuff here. I'm here. What more do you need? Hey y'all, welcome back. Let me welcome myself back actually because I'm sorry. I'll just leave it there. I'm sorry, but I'm back. And today I wanted to come back with a Valentine's Day inspired look. Strawberries and champagne kind of look because of like the pink and then the gold. I love it. It's my heart. Valentine's Day is like one of my favorite holidays simply because, I mean, gifts, of course, chocolate, of course, but everything is freaking pink and that is my favorite color. Everything is pink. You can find so many things in pink. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And then love is in the air. People are like expressing how much they love each other to everyone, and it is just so sappy and sweet and just everything that I love, everything that makes me me. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please stay tuned. I won't be gone for so long next time. Pinky promise. I'm very serious about my pinky promises. But yeah, stay tuned. Okay, yes, this is a unibrow. No, you do not need to be concerned. I assure you. Just hold tight. Okay, so today, hi guys, I really missed you. What is going on? So today, I'm going to do this sweet little Valentine's Day look that I've really been wanting to do. So I'm going to do this whole look with one palette. I am using my BH Cosmetics 120 palette. I feel like a lot of companies came out with these like massive palettes with all kinds of colors. So, and I think it may honestly all be the same palette and they're just rebranding it and putting their name on it. But either way, I'm sure everybody has one of these palettes that has a gazillion colors in it. You can crank out a look with these little palettes. You don't have to, I mean, you eventually, yeah, I want better quality eyeshadows, more shadows with that pack a punch. But for now, I have what I have. I'm gonna work with that, and you can still create really pretty looks with it. You just have to put in a little bit more work, a little extra elbow grease in the blending, and you can still create something super cute. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this little palette from it. The first pink I'm using is going to be this one right here. And I'm taking that and I'm blending it all into my crease area. So yeah, y'all, I'm getting over a cold. Did you hear that? Cold. I'm getting over a cold that I feel like I've had for 40 days and 40 nights. It has just plagued me. It's honestly, it's what I get because I went out on New Year's. It was like 18 degrees, like seriously, it was 18 degrees, I think, New Year's Day or New Year's Eve or whatever. And I was not dressed adequately for the weather. Mother Nature was not playing around with me. She said, oh, word? You think, word? All right, I got something for you. And literally the next couple of days, I got super sick. Honestly, the worst thing in the world is a sore throat. I'll take the headaches, I'll take the coughing, the sneezing, I'll take all of that. Like, just don't give me throat pain. I cannot stand when my throat is sore. It is the worst. Because you can't swallow right, and you like, that's the one time you really notice like how much you swallow in a day. Like when you can't and it hurts like crap to swallow. Sweet baby Jesus, I'm trying to tell y'all, it's the worst. So I'm gonna mix this pink and this pink. I'm gonna mix those two together to create some kind of like hot pinky, I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay, and I'm gonna put that right here. Right below where I put the light pink. I'm gonna drag that in my inner corner. Just like that. And I'm gonna blend that out just a little bit. I need more vegan recipes because a lot of the stuff that I look at online, I'm like, that just doesn't even look appetizing. But I don't know, I feel like I want to branch out like into more things that aren't pasta. And I also should mention I'm a really picky eater. I don't eat like mushrooms, and I don't eat a lot. I'm a very picky eater, let's just say that. So if you have any easy vegan recipes that you like, that you think I would like, let me know, hit me up. So I'm just gonna blend this out. And then I'm gonna take the brush with the lighter pink and just go up here and blend that out as well. So I like how that's looking. So next I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm mixing this brown and the black in the palette. I'm mixing this brown and the black that's up there in that corner. I'm mixing those two together because I don't want it to be super black over here, but I do want it to be dark. So I'm just gonna put this in my outer V. And just go up here just a smidge. So I just stamped it into place. And then I'm gonna go back in with that brush with the dark pinks on them. And I'm gonna dip in there just one more time, just a little bit, just so it's a little bit on the brush. And I'm blending that, just the edge out. Do y'all have any New Year's resolutions? Do y'all do that? Because I know a lot of people, for me, I feel like, why wait till the new year? I'm one of those, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, why wait till the new year to have a New Year resolution? Like, why? For what? Like, you can start anytime. I say all that, but I made a couple little resolutions. For one, I want to stop focusing so much on where I am not. So basically, I want to focus more on the present, because I have noticed that so many times, like, I'll be at work, right? I'll be at work and I'm like, oh, when I get home, I'm gonna do X, Y, Z, da 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 da. And then when I get home, I'm like, okay, in a couple hours, I'm gonna do this. In the morning, I'm gonna do this before I go to work, blah, 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 blah. It's like I never really give the present my full attention because I'm so stuck on what I'm going to be doing, what I need to be doing, what I should have done, all that stuff. So 2018, I'm going to try my very hardest to focus on the present. I'm going to focus on where I am and not anything else, because it does me no service. It causes me stress that I do not need. You can use this to take naps too, because yesterday I'm on the couch. I'm like, I'm not doing anything. I need to do this. I need to do that. And I was like, you know what? No. Right now, I'm laying on this couch and I'm about to take a nap because I am tired. So let me take this nap, and then whatever happens when I get up from this nap is what happens. And I'll deal with it then. And I took my nap and it was a really good nap, y'all. So yeah, I just went back in with the brush with the pink and I just blended out the black. Now I'm going to clean up my lid. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I'm going to go halfway, but I'm going to make sure I fade it into the outer corner. So I'm gonna stop it right there. And for my lid, I'm going into this, I don't even know, is this like, yeah, gold maybe? Sure, let's call it that. I'm gonna go in with this gold color, and I'm packing that, and I'm gonna pack in that. And I'm packing that all over my lid. And so like when I was saying earlier that these shadows, you can create cute, like really pretty looks with them. You just have to put in a little bit more elbow grease. Probably like, you know, here's a good place where I would probably spend more time packing on the color than I would with the more quality shadow. But you know, it's fine. You know, I'm gonna get where I wanna go. I'm gonna get where I wanna go, okay? Just be patient. I'm gonna go back in with that pencil brush with the black and the brown on it. I'm gonna kind of blend these two together. I'm gonna overlap this black color in here. Right there, see? And then I'm gonna go back in with the lid color and go on top of it so that it blends. This is like a cute little like strawberries and champagne. Oh my god. For liner, I'm just gonna do a tiny little line. This is the Sephora Long Lasting Eyeliner. And it's in the color black. Yep. I feel like it probably has a fancier name than black, but it's black. Okay, I'm gonna go clean up under here and I'll be right back. Okay. So I have, oh, let me just show all of them. I don't know where they're from. They say Urban Studio on them. I don't know. But they're these, I'm super late to the game, but I've seen everybody try them and I've always wanted to try them. And I got some. I'm gonna be using these like little toothbrushy brushes. I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 350. I'm gonna spritz the brush a little bit so that it doesn't like absorb all the product. Now this is my kind of carrying on, okay? Okay. Whew. Oh doggy. I like this. Have y'all seen the videos of that dude? He'd be like, I like that. My nose is so dry. I've tried to moisturize the crap out of my face lately, but nothing works. That gets an A+ from me. Ooh, okay, so I'm going to contour with the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I went ham just now. I didn't mean to go this far in. That was a lot. And I'm going to highlight with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm going to use the brush, the foundation brush, to go ahead and blend out this contour. This is nice. This blended that out really, really, really well. I have a tiny baby one for my nose. And for under my eyes and my highlight, I'm going to use this one. To set all of this, I'm using this Real Techniques brush and I'm using the Kids Professional Pro Touch Setting Powder. Since this foundation is so matte, I don't need or like a lot of powder on my face after this. So I don't bake or anything. I'm just gonna go under here. With it, just like this. Just so it sets. I don't need bakeage. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. gonna go ahead and contour. I'm contouring, of course, with Blunt Blush by MAC. And then I'm going to throw on some lashes. I am using the Kiss lashes in the style Shy. They look like this. I'm gonna throw those on because my camera is about to die, and then when I come back, we'll finish up my lower lash line and lips, blush, and highlight. Okay, let's finish up this lower lash line. I'm going in with that pink, those two pinks. This is the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. I really like this a lot. It's the brush, I don't know if you can tell, but the brush, it has like a bunch of little spikes on it, and it really gets in there and separates the lashes out. Okay, so next for blush, you already know I'm using my Sonni Cosmetics palette. Oh my god, Ashley, Jesus Christ. I'm going to use my Sonni Cosmetics palette. I am going to take a little pink color. I'm going to take this pink right here. I've already highlighted and contoured. Again, products will be in the description box. For lips, I'm keeping it on brand. I'm gonna do like a pink, a dusty pink. You're dusty, so if anybody ever calls you dusty, just you might as well go like cry yourself to sleep for life. I'm lining my lips with my favorite lip pencil. This is the Rimmel London 1000 Kisses. It's in the color Cafe au Lait. Yes, I know this mascara is still on my face. I'm letting it dry. And for my lips today, I'm using the Julep Matte Lip Mousse in the color Bisou. I think is how you pronounce that. I'm gonna go in with some gloss. This is the Julep Lip Gloss. It is the Ultra Hydrating Lip Gloss in the color All the Feels. It's like a nude pink. It's really pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to try to remove this mark from the devil. Don't wipe it away immediately. Let it dry. Whenever you let it dry, you can then go in with like a spoolie or something and it'll flake off. Most of it will flake off, and you can just go in with a dab of concealer. Dab ranch with dab ranch. Or fondant, whatever. Go in with a dab of something. Okay guys, it's gonna wrap it up for this little strawberries and champagne Valentine's Day look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think it's super cute. It's super easy to recreate. I really appreciate you guys for sitting through this nasally, this gravelly voice. Yeah, lipstick on my teeth, I hope not. But yeah, make sure you guys like this video, comment. Also, alright, make sure you guys let me know some vegan recipes. I really do need some. I'm tired of all the stuff on Instagram and Pinterest. I don't know, so if you guys have any suggestions, I'm open to them. I'm definitely looking, let me know. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Sonni Strick. And love you guys.